Good morning, children. Have you seen cat, mouse? I must say, you all have seen them. Let's listen an interesting story about the cat and the mouse. The cat and the mouse. There was a cat and there was a mouse. One day, the cat felt very hungry. He wanted to eat the mouse. But the mouse was inside her hole. So he thought,
what shall I do to make the mouse to come out of her hole?
गोटे बिलेई थिला एवं गोटे मूषा थिला। दिने बिलेई को खूब जोरे भोक लगिला। से मूषा को खाइबा को इच्छा कला, किंतु मूषाटी तार गात भितरे थिला। तेणु बिलेई चिंता कला,
मूषाटी को ता गात बाहरु आनिबा को मु कोन करिबी?
An idea came to his mind. He went very close to the mouse hole and said,
Sister Mouse, what are you doing inside the hole? Come out and see how nice the weather is. I have no time. I am cooking my food.
replied the mouse, knowing well the intention of the cat. ता मन को गोटे उपाय आसला। से मूषा गातर खूब पाखकु जाई कहिला,
मौनी मूषा गात भितर कोन करूछ? बाहर को आसो एवं देखो पागटी केते सुंदर होईची।
बिलेईर मनोवृत्ति मूषा भल भाବରେ जानि पारी उत्तर दे।
मोर समय नै मु खाद्य रांधुची। Can I cook food for you, Sister Mouse?
asked the cat. बिलेई कहिला,
मूषा भौणी मु तो पई खाद्य रांधि देबी की? No thanks. I will cook my food myself.
coolly replied the mouse. मूषाटी खूब ठंडा मिजाज रे उत्तर देला।
नहीं मु निजे मोर खाद्य रांधिबी।
The cat tried again and said,
Sister Mouse, your house is very nice. Who made this house for you?
बिलेईटी पुणी चेष्टा कला एवं कहिला,
मौली मूषा तोर घरटी भारी सुंदर होईची। ए घरटी तो पई के तयारी कला? I have made it myself.
proudly replied the mouse. मूषाटी गर्वर सहित कहिला,
मु एहा को निजे तयारी करछि। Sister Mouse, your door is also very nice. Who made this door for you?
asked the cat. बिलेई पचारला,
मूषा भौणी तोर द्वार मध्ये बहुत सुंदर होईची। ए द्वार तुम पई के तयारी कला? I have made the door myself.
replied the mouse. मूषा उत्तर देला,
मु निजे ई द्वारटी तयारी करछि। Your windows are also very nice. Who made these windows for you?
asked the cat again. बिलेई पुणी पचारला,
तुमरा झरका गुड़िका मध्ये खूब सुंदर होईची। के तुम पई झरका गुड़िका तयारी कला? I have made the windows myself.
very proudly replied the mouse. मूषाटी गर्वर सहित कहिला,
ए झरका गुड़िका मु निजे तयारी करछि।
but the mouse was still inside her hole. The cat failed to catch her. So the cat made the final attempt. किंतु मूषाटी तथापि तार गात भितर थिला। बिलेई ताकू धरिबा पाई विफल ହେଲା। तेणु बिलेईटी शेष चेष्टा कला।
Sister Mouse, you have made your house yourself. You have made your door yourself. You have made your windows yourself. You are really a great mouse. Can I open your nice door, Sister Mouse? मूषा भौणी तुमे तुमरो घर निजे तयारी करछ, तुमरो द्वार निजे तयारी करछ, तुमे तुमरो झरका निजे तयारी करछ, तुमे प्रकृत रे जड़े महान मूषा। मु तुमरो सुंदर द्वार खोली पारि कि मूषा भौणी?
This time the mouse had swelled up like a balloon with pride. She therefore said,
I'll open my nice door myself.
एथर मूषाटी गर्वर सहित बेलून भली फुलिबाकू लागला। तेणु से कहिला,
मु निजे मोर सुंदर द्वारटी को खोलिबी।
saying so she came out opening her door herself. यह कही से निजे द्वार खोलिबाकू आसिला। The cat caught the mouse and ran away. बिलेईटी मूषा को धरी नेला एवं दौड़ी पळेई गला। Let's discuss new words from from the lesson. Hungry, भोकिला, inside, ଭିତରେ, hole, ଗାତ, thought, past tense of think, ଭାବିଲା, idea, ଉପାୟ, weather, ପାଗ, intention, ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି, myself, ନିଜେ ନିଜେ, replied, ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା, nice, ସୁନ୍ଦର, again, ଆଉ ଥରେ, failed, ବିଫଳ ହେଲା, past tense of fail, attempt, ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା, pride, ଗର୍ବ, ran away, ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳେଇଲା. I think you all have understand the story. Let's answer the questions by yourself. Who are there in the story? There are a cat and a mouse in the story. Who praised whom? The cat praised the mouse. Who said, I am cooking my food? The mouse said this. Who wanted to eat the mouse? The cat wanted to eat the mouse. What did the cat do when the mouse came out? When the mouse came out, the cat caught the mouse and ran away. Hope you enjoyed the story. Keep practicing